Hello and welcome back to 4th grade math support. My name is Dr. Griggs, and these will be the topics that we'll be covering this year. We are now on topic number 2, number and operations in base 10. So in this topic, we will have 6 objectives we'll be looking at. Let's look at our objective for this session. In this session, we have recognized that in a multi-digit whole number, a digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents in the place to its right. So let's see that in practice. Our problem here is place value power. The number is 4,230 is written on the board. What value does the digit 2 represent? The digit 3. And then, how is the value 2 related to the value of 3? Finally, we're going to explain how each digit's place shows that it is 10 times the value of the place to its right. So, let's first start off by writing this number. So, we have 4,230. And let's make a quick place value chart. So we'll have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And it wants to know the value of the 2. Well, the value of the 2 is in the hundreds. So that means there are 2 hundreds. Which equals a value of 200. So the value of the digit 2 is 200. Now the value 3 is in the tens place, so that means there are 3 tens. And if we added 3 tens, we would get 30. So the value of the 3 is represented as 30. Now, if we look at the value of the 2 related to the value of the 3, well, we can see that this has 200, this has 30. So there is an additional 0, which also indicates that it is in a different place value multiplied by 10, because the hundreds place is 10 times as much as the tens place. So if we were to compare this apples to apples, let's say we had exactly 300 and we had exactly 30, well, then we would be able to see that if we were to multiply this by 10, it will give us the 300. So this shows us that the tens place is 10 times less than the hundreds place, or the hundreds place is 10 times more than the tens. So that's showing us that this hundreds place is 10 times more than the place value to its right. Now that we have seen this visually, this will help us to figure out any value of a number, how that digit is related to another number, and how much of additional multiplication is needed to get from one place value to the next. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct, and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.